Guys, now welcome back to the URShop.vip. Now in this video, basically I will show you how you can earn 500 USDT daily through a 100 USDT of charge. So are you ready? And this is basically done on the VIP 3 level, guys. So let's go straight to the VIP 3 level. Let me explain something basically for you guys. All right, here you can see we are the VIP 3 level. Now the least investment for the VIP 3 level is 103 USDT. Now the expected income, the returns daily is 11.3 USDT. You have a total order of 10 orders a day, and in the whole cycle you have 450 orders as large, guys. And I have 10 orders per day, 450 orders in total. That is for the VIP 3, and you're getting 11.33 USDT. That is expected to earn, guys. Now, how to get this income? Now let me explain something basically to you. Now you need to improve your VIP level. You get your earnings according to your VIP level, and the daily income of each level is different. And for instance, let me say for the VIP zero, least investment is 5 USDT, and the expected returns is 0.32, that is 32 USDT, but it has the same orders, shows that the order level is different and it's higher. Now going down, you can see right here to the VIP level, which is over 500,000 USDT, and expected earning is 13,000 USDT, guys. You can see people are making real money on this platform. So I'll explain how you can make 500 USDT out of your 100 USDT recharge. Now, first of all, you need to improve. Now, guys, you need to improve the daily income of each VIP level. Now, the daily income of each VIP is different. So how you can make this now to improve the level is very important. Once you are upgrading your level, you are going to a higher VIP level, then you stand the potentials of making more money. Secondly, if you recommend a friend to join, then you earn from the person's commission. Now, each recommended person you get, then each recommended person you get 0.5 USDT. Each person you recommend, you get 0.5 USDT as your commission. Now, this reward has no upper limit now. The reward commission can be used to do tags. You can use this reward to do tags, guys. So it's a very nice platform. After the first deposit, 30 days you can withdraw the whole commission, right? You understand what I'm saying? So let me explain something basically for you now. After 30 days, you can withdraw all the balance in the account. You can withdraw all the balance after 30 days, guys. Now, what do we mean by this, guys? So we have 30 days to do the recommendation and the tax to earn. Now, if you meet this requirement, now you can withdraw all the amount in the balance. Tell the recommended friends deposit will be a direct subordinate. Now, once your friend uses your link and deposit, you get a commission. Once your friend gives his or her own link to another partner and the person uses the link to deposit, you still have a commission of that partner, and the recommended friends deposit will be rewarded. Suppose that the direct recommended friends deposit is 100 USDT, then you can immediately get 6 USDT reward and can withdraw it immediately, guys. If your friend recharge 100 USDT, your commission of that is going to be 6 USDT. That is massive. Now, second level recommendation, that is the friend you recommend to join and then recommend another user, the friend Mr. A that recommend Mr. B. You get a commission of Mr. B's deposit. And if Mr. B deposit 100 USDT, you get 3 USDT as your commission, guys. And this is how it works basically down to the last person. And if the lower level, the third person, the subordinate deposit 100 USDT, you're gonna be getting 1 USDT as your reward, guys. This is how it works basically. So the reward varies, guys. So if you deposit 100 USDT, you can get reward of 1 USDT, guys. If you deposit 100 USDT yourself, you get a reward of 1 USDT and so on. So the teamwork is very important. Now, organizing your team, forming your team helps you make more income, give you a chance to stand to get more income, guys. So make sure you create a team. Make sure you make money with your team. Make sure you urge your team to recharge, because you get more money once your team member recharge. So this is how you can make 500 USDT daily with your 100 USDT deposit. It's very simple. Take your team higher, take your level higher, increase your level, and you can make more than these guys. And if you take your level higher, you deposit higher, and you do tax, guy, you'll be getting much money. So this is all for this section. So thanks for watching. Just go in the description of the video below. There is a link right there. Create an account and start making money. See you all next time.